Hey viewers, Michael Warren here from Essential Guitar Lessons, and let's learn how to play Kokomo on guitar by the Beach Boys. If you enjoyed this lesson, like and subscribe, and check out my YouTube channel Essential Guitar Lessons. Lots of songs and lessons for all levels and new ones uploaded weekly, and I'll put a link in the description for you. Now remember, if you're having any problems with the song, please leave a comment and let me know how you go. Now I'll show you how to play the whole song, and if you're struggling with any of the chords, I'll be breaking them all down at the end of the song. So if you want to have a look at the chords first, you could jump to this time, then come back to the song. Now they'll also be on the screen as we go through. So let's get into it. Now for our first chorus, we don't play anything. If you want to, if you're just doing a sing-along, you can just play the chorus that we come up to next. So we start from the verse, and our strumming pattern is just going to be a standard down, down, up, down, up. So slowly, down, down, up, down, up. And we'll be using that through the whole song. Down, down, up, down, up. And that's one bar there. So we start on the C, one bar with the strumming pattern. C major 7, so we're just taking our first finger off from the C chord, everything else stays the same, one bar there, same strumming pattern. Going up to our G minor this time, one bar. Back to our F, one bar there. Our F minor, so we're just taking our second finger off, one bar there. To C again, one bar. Jumping to D this time, one bar. And finishing on G7 for one bar. So a great chord progression there. Let's do that up to speed, and it plays that through 2 times for the first verse. And that's our first verse there. From there we go into the chorus, and again this is pretty easy, we're using the same chords. This time we're going to start on C, 2 bars, same strumming pattern. F, 2 bars, same strumming pattern again. Back to C for 2 bars. This time F, but just for 1 bar. F minor for a bar. C for a bar. A minor for a bar. This time the D7 for a bar. And G7 for a bar. And then we just finish on the C. We're just going to strum once and hold for 2 bars. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's our chorus there. So let's play that up to speed now. Nothing too hard in that. Starting on the C. From that chorus we go straight back to the verse, we play that exactly the same, do the chorus again, then for the sax solo we play the verse again but only play it through once, and then back to the chorus to finish, and we can just keep playing the chorus over and over again there, and it just fades out. So there are all the rhythm parts to the song. Let's have a look at some of the little fills and stuff they put in as well. Now in every chorus there's a second guitar, and it's just doing upstrokes, it's just playing the same chords we've been playing for the chorus. So we start on the C, and the upstroke comes in on 1 and 2 and then on the 3. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and it just does that on every chord. So we have C for 2 bars, F for 2 bars, C for 2 bars, and then we have the rest of the chorus exactly the same. So let's just do that up to speed, nothing too hard there. And it does that every chorus through there. Just see little upstrokes on 1 and, so on the and on the 3 there. So nothing too hard. Now there's also some little fills in the verse. Let's have a look at those as well. So these fills are played in the second verse. We're just going to start on the open E, first fret B, open G. So then we're going to play the 5th fret on the B, 3rd fret on the E, hammer onto the 5th fret on the E there, and then just play the first chord again, 5th fret B, 3rd fret E. So pretty easy. The C chord first, then we're playing the F chord, 1st fret on the E, 1st fret on the B, 2nd fret on the G, then go back to the E string 2 times, 1st fret, 1st fret on the B. Now we're going to slide from the 1st fret E up to the 3rd fret and back to the 1st fret. So pretty easy again there. Let's play that. And then the last little fill, we're going to use these chords coming up and back the neck. We're just going to play 1st fret on the B, open E, 5th fret on the B, 3rd fret on the E, come up to the 8th fret on the B and the E, come back to the 5th fret on the E, 6th fret on the B, so it's just like a D chord there or a D shape, back to 3 on the E, 5 on the B, back to our open E, 1st fret B, and then just finish on the 2nd fret on the G, 3rd fret on the B, and that's just a D chord there. So slowly. So that's moving fairly quickly there. Let's try that last little bit up to speed. And you can do that with your fingers or your pick there. And they're the little fills they do in the verse. So let's play through the whole 3 of them. And they're all the guitar parts there. So let's run through the chords the song uses as well. We have a standard C chord, so 3rd fret on the A, 2nd fret on the D, open G, 1st fret on the B and open E, and that's our standard C chord. We have a C major 7, and that's really easy. Take your C chord, take your first finger on. That's our C major 7, 3rd fret on the A string, 2nd fret on the D, open G, B and E. C major 7. We have a G minor, barring the 3rd fret, so 3rd fret on the E string, 5th fret on the A and the D, 3rd fret on the G, B and E, and that's our G minor. We have an F bar chord, or you can play the F open chord there as well. I suggest using the F chord because we've got an F minor as well. So we have the 1st fret on the E string, 3rd fret on the A and the D, 2nd fret on the G, 1st fret on the B and the E, and that's it, F chord there. To do the F minor, just take your 2nd finger off and we have F minor. 1st fret on the E string, 3rd fret on the A and the D, and 1st fret G, B and E, and that's it, F minor. We have a standard D chord, open D string, 2nd fret on the G, 3rd fret on the B, 2nd fret on the E. We also have a D7, open D string, 2nd fret on the the G, this time the first fret on the B and second fret on the E. And that's our D7. We have a G7. So third fret on the E string, second fret on the A, open D, G, open B, and first fret on the E string. And that's our G7. And the last one is an A minor there. So open A string, second fret on the D and the G, first fret on the B and open E. And that's our standard A minor chord. And that's all the chords there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.